Now, the benchmark Nifty 50 opened lower and extended its losses in early trade on today, declining 181.50 points, so 0.75% to 24,025.40 as of 9:23 a.m. IST. The index opened at 24,039.40 and remained under pressure amid weak global cues, escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East and a sharp rise in crude oil prices, which weighed on investor sentiment. Meanwhile, BSE Sensex fell sharply in early trade, dropping 633.32 points or 0.82% to 76,936.07 as of 9:20 a.m. The sell-off came amid weak global cues after escalating tensions in the Middle East triggered a sharp rise in crude oil prices, dampening investor sentiment. And to discuss the same, joining me on the broadcast is Mithali Nikore. She's an economist. Mithali, what would you like to say about the current scenario?
So if we look at the current scenario, it's quite clear that oil markets are facing a fresh onslaught as this war refuses to die down. I think at the time when trading was going on in the first session itself, we saw oil prices increasing from $70 per barrel to $80 per barrel all over again. And this morning as well, we're seeing highs of 85 already being seen, and I am predicting that it can cross $100 a barrel again. And this is simply because, the markets had started pricing in the fact that the MOU was signed, the fact that, the ceasefire was now seemingly stable. But, with this US president and with the kind of negotiation that's going on, I would warn markets and say, until the deal is signed on paper, with the approval of the US Congress, it is hard to believe that actually a ceasefire is through.
All right, Mithali, I'll come back to you. Stay on with me. Now, oil prices have jumped amid the latest outbreak of a